Hey, so we're back with Fake No More, how to become radically authentic. We are going into the second root cause that makes you wear a mask, that forces you to wear a mask, and it's about childhood conditioning. How childhood conditioning makes you wear a mask. So the mechanism is that first you seek love, then you adapt a behavior which enables you to receive conditional love, conditional to the behavior, and then you internalize the mask. You choose this behavior because you wanted love, so you get some conditional love, because if you don't get that, if you do that behavior, then you don't get the love, so it's a condition. You need to do that behavior to get the love, and so then you get the love. But in the end, it makes you internalize the mask. This is a mask. It makes you internalize the mask. So the pattern is that you expressed your true self, you were authentic as a child, and then you've been told, oh, it's too much, oh, it's not enough, not like this, more like that. So then you adapted yourself to create an acceptable version of yourself, an acceptable persona, um, which is a persona that is rewarded. Then be quiet, for instance, and then you are quiet all the time. You're always like polished and so on. But then you believe that this is your true self. You mistaken this quiet child as being your true self. So as a child, we just need love. We're seeking love all the time, and we just radar for love. What does give me love? To still stay in good faces to our nurturer, to get still food. It's quite basic. And protection. It's a search of safety. So we search to maximize reward. We construct a persona to maximize rewards and to minimize pain. But then sometimes we don't drop after decades this persona, and we are adults, and then it doesn't serve us anymore. So a hint for this is that you can identify one rule about how to behave that you learn in your childhood. Like, for instance, don't be selfish, be quiet, and simply ask yourself if this rule is still serving your authentic adult self today. That was it. Much love and have fun.